What's going on, guys? Dave here, and I'm really excited today because I'll be building my first PC, and this will be replacing my current workstation, which is this Dell XPS. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a beast in itself, but I got it like 4 years ago. But it has like a GTX 1050, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and also handles 4K at 60 hertz. So, yeah, it's really good. Unfortunately, it just doesn't meet the virtual reality capabilities. So for this next rig, I made sure to grab a RTX 3070 as well with the AMD RYZEN 5600. So this should handle VR no problem. And before we get started, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my bro. He helped in confirming that it was a hardware issue. We tested my VR with his rig and it worked just fine. And he actually just recently built his rig too, and he streams mostly Rocket League. So if you like that type of stuff, here's his content. Check him out.
Wow, the passes this teammate got, man.
Alright, so let's get to it. Oh, also, so forgot about the case. This bad boy. It comes with 7 fans pre-installed, so it's pretty dope. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so for motherboard, I have this MSI B550 550. I feel like I should have some badass gloves or some shit, but woo! So yeah, Ryzen for the brains. Did you guys ever see Small Soldiers? That's it, man. Remember that chip they like plan them with? I'm gonna use an Arctic freezer fan for this. Alright guys, so I finished installing the motherboard onto the case. So there it is with the CPU and fan. Now I got SSDs left and graphics card and power supply. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two fans so it's easier for me to install the rest of the stuff. So let's do it. So there's the P5 SSD installed. Up next, the CORSAIR RAM. RAM installed. Getting to the graphics card. Alright guys, so I have everything plugged in. All that's left is essentially getting my wire management down, putting these fans back on, and then turning on power and see how it runs. Alright guys, so I plugged this bad boy in and it works. I'm currently right now going through software installations, drivers installations, you know, the basics. But here it is.